Hi there, I've got a hand synchronisation exercise for you to try today. I'm going to be playing this using a plectrum, but obviously you can play it using your fingers as well. Just make sure you're doing alternating, such as index and then middle. So I'm just going to be doing down, up, alternating picking. But the key part here is in my left hand. Now, I'm going to do all of this in first position, just so when I say number 1, that refers to both fret 1 and finger 1. If I say 2, that means obviously fret 2, finger 2. 3 is fret 3, finger 3. And of course 4 is fret 4, finger 4. So the pattern is going to go like this. We're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go back down again. 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's the first half. I'll show you that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then the second half is going to go like this. And it's going to be very pinky dominant, very 4-finger dominant. We're going to go 1, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. I'll show you that one more time again slowly, but obviously use the music. 1, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. So both parts together should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. And that's the end. And then obviously you can practice it back round again. So now you've got that pattern down, let's talk about a couple of ways which we could vary it so that we can make it a little bit more challenging and continue to improve. Now rather than just playing it all the same speed, the exact same way every single time, a good thing to do is, for example, try and play the first bit as normal, but then play the second half of it twice as fast. Now that means you're going to have to play the first part quite slowly. Or if we flip it around, we can play the first part fast and then play the second half slowly. And that helps us really work on our speed bursts. Another thing we could do is do dotted rhythms, something that we talked about in our scale variations video. So what that means is we can play one note long and then the next one short, or short and then long. So I'll show you how that sounds. Here's long and then short. Then here's short then long. So now that your fingers have learnt that pattern in the first position, what it means now is you can take that pattern and put it anywhere on your guitar. For example, we learnt it in position 1, as I said at the start, because it's easy to talk about the frets. But a better place that you might find it easier to practice at first, that isn't quite as much of a stretch, is 5, 6 and 7, 8. And I like to challenge myself by doing these on the inside strings rather than doing it on the first string, which is a little bit easier to play than maybe our third string, for example, okay? And you might notice several differences, even when you go to something like the 9th fret on the 5th string. You might notice the string moves about a little bit more. It might not be quite as easy to play as one of the higher strings, for example, okay? So give that a go, try the variations, and obviously try it on different places on your guitar. And if you can do it really nice and smoothly, like that, then you know you've got a really good synchronized left and right hand. Thanks for watching.